Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Chromecast. Please make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified for every new amazing video that I put out. Let's get started. Take out the Chromecast out of the box and make sure you have your wires. You have your Chromecast piece, which is already connected on one end to the thing, and the HDMI connection over here on the other side. Then take out your power source wire. On the smaller end of the wire, you're going to connect that into the Google Chromecast piece. You have to have power. So on the back of my TV, I have here HDMI input, and right next to it I have a USB input. This is the same USB input port that you see on computers today. You're going to take the HDMI Chromecast piece and put that into the HDMI port on the TV. So I'm going to do that here. Make sure it's put in the correct way. Then you take the other end of your Chromecast piece and plug that directly into the back of your TV. Sorry about all the autofocus that's happening over here, but you could just take this piece and put it to the back of your TV into the USB port. So I'll do that now, and make sure you put it in the correct way, and I have. So when you're done, you'll have the Chromecast plugged into the TV in two separate ports. You'll have the HDMI port and the USB port. So now we're going to make sure our TV is plugged in as well, and we're going to turn on the TV. Okay, once our TV is on, make sure you navigate to that specific HDMI port that you put it in. Usually it's the input button on the TV remote that will change it. If you press input, it will change it to a different input. So once you're at the correct input, you shall see this come up on the screen of your TV. We're going to go on our phone and we're going to download the Google Home app. Just search for Google Home on the Play Store or in the App Store on your iOS Apple device and install this app. Once it's installed, you will be able to click open. Click open. Once you click open, you may be prompted in order to set a few things up over here, but this is the main screen that it comes to in order to start setting up your Chromecast device. So what you're going to want to do is to click the plus button on the top left corner over here and click set up a setup device. You're going to head and click new device, and you're going to choose a home. I'm just going to use the default name I have over here, and on the bottom of the screen I'm going to click next. Now for some strange reason they want to turn on location services, so go ahead and turn on location services on your device in order to continue. And now we need Bluetooth in order to connect to the device, so we're just going to go ahead and settings, swipe down from the top and click Bluetooth. Now it's looking for the devices that have Bluetooth, and I see my Chromecast is here, and it does match. The number of the Chromecast matches up with the same number that I am seeing on the bottom corner of my TV device. So we're gonna click the Chromecast, and then it says pairing. Click done. And now Google Home will be looking for that device, and it says Chromecast found. Would you like to set up? Yes, we want to set up this device. And just go ahead and click the device again to use with the home or with whatever you named it. And now it is doing the setup. So now it gave me a code on my TV, and we have to make sure that this code is the same code that's showing on the Google Home app. So if it is, you click yes. Just click I agree to the terms and conditions. You don't have to share device stats with Google. If you don't want to, you just click no thanks. And where is this device going to be? So you need to choose a room for your house. You can create a new room with any of these already custom made names over here, or you could add a custom room name. So I'm going to click add a custom room, click next, and type in the name of the room. I'll call it my bedroom, and go ahead and click continue. Now it needs to connect to the Wi-Fi. So we are connecting our device, our Chromecast device, to our home Wi-Fi. So just choose the connection that you want and click next. If your phone is already connected to the device, to Wi-Fi in your house, then Chromecast will just get the details directly from your phone. Click Not Now. Now your Chromecast has been set up. Once I set up, I had trouble finding the YouTube app or any app, finding the Chromecast device in order to cast on it. What I end up doing is I plugged out the Chromecast from the back of a TV. I plugged it back in, and I opened up the Google Home app. I refreshed it, and now my Chromecast that I named My Bedroom TV is here. In order to start playing the app, playing videos on your TV, what you have to do is go to an app. We'll use YouTube right now. Click the cast button. That's this button, and you will see that on other apps too. Click that, and it will ask you which device you want to connect to. So we'll click My Bedroom TV, and now YouTube is starting up on my TV. Now your Chromecast has been set up with your TV in just a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, and do everything else you do here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.